Hello everybody. In this video we'll have a look at the V-Moda Crossfade M100 headphones, which apparently work if you plug in the 3.5 inch jack inside, but do not work when you use it in Bluetooth mode. So basically in Bluetooth mode you only have sound coming out of this headphone instead of both. So sound is missing from this one, and I'll try to take it apart and see what's inside. For this to work, you will need a fine mechanics screwdriver and also a soldering iron. So if you don't have these, maybe you cannot do this follow along fix, but maybe you can. You don't know till you try. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, we need to take out these, let's take my tools, the ear pads. So I'll maybe try to pry it open if it's possible. Yeah, you can pry it open. So that's done. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. These are some pretty old headphones. And now time to unscrew these little screws. So gently unscrew them. That's one. That's two. One more. So we are on the right ear pad now, doing this process. Okay, now we take this. Take these out. I have a bit of a cold today, so let's see. So I need to pry them open from here. This is maybe too thick. Well, let's try the green one. Yeah, it kind of goes inside. So as you can see, it went inside. You can force it out. I see it has some kind of glue, I think. Okay, it came off. Great, great. Let me put this somehow like this. Okay, so we pull it out. Let's be gentle with it because they might have some kind of, oh, you can see here it's wire. It's a wire over there. So about there it's wire. Be careful not to break it. Let's detach it from here as well. So basically we have this very small wire which looks very, very flimsy. And let's see. Sorry if the camera is not focusing. I will try to first have a look for myself. So it's now trying to connect to something. Let's go on my PC and play some music. Oh, I can see where the problem is. So basically, I don't know if you can see this wire. Oh yeah, look. This wire came undone from here. So we just lost solder on this wire here. So basically this one. So you have 4 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on number 3 we lost solder. So that's basically it. Okay, we'll now turn off the headphones and try to solder back that wire. And I will now try to dip it in a little bit of flux, or I'll just rub some with my finger on it, just to make it stick better to that soldering point. So the cable now sticks, and we can give it another test to see if it's working. So I can hear sound now coming out of both speakers. So solder complete. Let's take out my soldering iron, and now let's turn this off and begin assembling the headphones back. Okay, so basically we need to put these back in the original position. Yeah, I think like this, or the other way around. Oh, the other way around. So they have a specific shape and they don't let you put it the wrong way. And now we don't have any glue, so we will just rely on the screws to fix it back in place. So we'll take the first screw here and begin screwing everything back. The first screw here. Okay, the second one. Make sure you don't tighten them very, very hard. Okay, and the last screw. Great. Okay, now we can put this ear cap. Also, this can only go one way, so make sure you put it the right way. So this should snap somehow into place. Okay, it doesn't look right, just do it the other way around, because I could see there was some open space and it was not snapping. Okay, I think it's all into place now. Now we can, oh yeah, look at the margins as well, like push it in as good as you can. Okay, so that was it. I think this solves the problem. Also be careful when you pry out these ear cups. Just use a pry bar and go on the side and try to push it here inside and just go from there, because if you start pulling on them, I think I pulled one of these and broke it. Where was it? Oh, here, look, if you pull on it, you'll get something like this, and it's not nice. Because I tried pulling it instead of prying it out, because I saw in some video you just have to carefully pull it. Yeah, it worked one time, but the second time you can damage them. So yeah, these are the headphones. I hope you found this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any other questions or want to say hello, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.